Very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am back with another video blog of mine. Throughout the globe, all of us know about the Grand Canyon, which is in US. I mean, from all around the globe, people do visit that place, but hardly anyone knows that there is a smaller version of Grand Canyon in our own state, that is West Bengal in India, which is not very far from Calcutta. I mean, you can have a day trip starting early in the morning and you can visit this place, and you can return back to Calcutta by late at night. Well, first of all, I'll show you the place. You can see, first of all, I should mention that this place is located beside a river. The name of the river is Shilabati. And now we can have a look into the entire area. This place has become a sensation of late. In last couple of years, more number of people are coming, so you can see that a corridor has been made, artificially obviously. A corridor has been made so that people can access this place a bit easily. If you're planning to visit this place, you have to come to Calcutta first if you are coming from some other state or some other city. And if you're from Calcutta, you can come to this place by train. We have multiple trains throughout the day. From Calcutta, you have to board an early morning train which departs at 6:30 a.m. from Satragachi station. You have to get down at a teeny town called Garbeta. It takes around 3 hours from Calcutta. At Garbeta railway station, you will have e-rickshaws which will take you to this place. You can roam around different part of the city. There are other sightseeings as well. And I mean, after you are done, you can go back to the same station and you can board an evening train to Calcutta. So that will serve you, cause I mean, in case you are planning to stay overnight here, there are, I mean, I would say there are not, I mean, we don't have any hotel in this place, but so yes, you certainly have some lodge. I mean, they offer air conditioned rooms with western toilet and everything. Food, I mean, luxurious food, that is the last thing which you will expect here, but basic food and everything will be very much available. So this is Gangoni, our own Grand Canyon in West Bengal, and I'll come back later on with some photos, with lots of photos. Thank you.